underhand on the left side, stick your hands out to the side, wrap up the poi once around your hands, pinch it between your fingers. Now you're holding it on the outside like this, and try figure eights with your left hand. So you're going from the outside to the inside, from the outside to the inside, from the outside to the inside. So you have to make it short enough to be able to comfortably come inside like this. And you're going from the left side of the arm to the inside, left side to the inside, left side to the inside, left side to the inside, to the inside, left side to the inside. And then bring it back out. And then your other arm, we're gonna go from the outside to the inside, the outside to the inside. So it's on the right, inside, right, inside, right, inside, right, inside. Okay, now bring them both on the outside and then take them both at the same time, flip them to the inside and split the time, and you're in your underhand buzzsaw. Right, so if you did the whole thing, you were like this. In split time circles, I had you go into, oh no, actually we're in same time circles. I had you wrap it, flip it, split the time into the underhand buzzsaw. And then to get back out, sync it up, flip it out, and do what you want. You can release it at that point in time. Or as you are coming out from the inside, release at that point in time. Either works. So this is the immediate release as you're going to the outside, or you could be small, come to the outside, and then release. Whatever feels good. The way you do the overhand wrap is to put your hand out, to put your fingers out to bisect the plane of the poi while it's in the buzzsaw. So as it's coming toward your face, your hands are in the way of the plane, and as a result, it wraps around your hand, and then you can pinch it and shorten it. So in flow, I could bring it in, shorten it, and boom, all you do is you're in a beautiful little buzzsaw. But it could also be in the version of, this was the thing I was saying about doing it with the weave. So that was a weave to a buzzsaw by doing a wrap while it was crossing and then coming back into the buzzsaw. But it's based on the same technique, which starts with this. Let's do your left hand first. You're on the outside plane. And then you do a figure eight to the inside plane. As you come into the inside plane, stick your, okay, this is your left hand, stick your left hand out like this and let the poi come, it should wrap around your hand. Pinch it and shorten the poi. So it comes, it wraps around your hand, you pinch and shorten. Comes, wraps around your hand, pinch and shorten. Comes, wraps around your hand, pinch and shorten. And you could just try that one thing with the poi on the outside of your hand, pull at the bottom toward your face. As it's coming up toward your face, back your face up so you don't hit it. And then as it's coming over the top, pinch right here when it gets to the 12 o'clock point of the turn where your hand is, so that you can shorten it. And then release and do it again. And then release and do it again. And then release and do it again. Okay, now let's try it with the figure eight where it's on the outside. Now in flow from overhand on the outside, as you flip it, so instead of flipping to the other side of your body like you would with a weave, as if you're doing an overhand weave where you do figure eight to the other side, you do figure eight, but instead of crossing all the way past your hip, you cross to the inside plane right here, which if your poi is too long, will thwack your body, which is why you want to stick your fingers out so that as it crosses, it wraps around you, right? As it crosses, it wraps around your hand, and then you can shorten it. So cross, wrap, pinch, or from the side, cross, wrap, pinch. The difference was before, in theory, you were starting on the inside. Now I'm having you start from the outside, go to the inside. But if you already were doing that, great, then you're ahead, then you're where you're supposed to be now, even though you were ahead before. So you missed the one drill that has you start from here. Which, you know, in a functional context could be useful if you're in stillness and you want to start your poi in some particular way. For example, that would be an actually useful context for the drill. I mean, you know, utilitarian performance wise. Okay, let's do it with the other hand. So let's do the drill on the inside first, right? So this is your right hand. And then on the inside, bring it up, pinching, bring it up, pinching to shorten, bring it up, pinching to shorten, or bring it up, pinching, bring it up. No, I don't think you will hurt yourself if you forget to pinch. What'll end up happening is it'll keep wrapping. That shouldn't hurt. But it might hurt if you let it unwrap and hit you in the face. that might hurt. So we did the inside one. Let's do from the outside, where you do a figure 8, come to the inside, wrap it up and pinch, and release, and come to the inside in a figure 8, wrap it up and pinch, and then come to the inside, wrap, pinch, 2 more times, figure 8 to the inside, wrap and pinch, and last one, figure 8 to the inside, wrap and pinch, and then you can be with both hands like this on the outside, and you can start whichever timing is easiest for you. I imagine same time, but maybe not. And then you could try doing them both at the same time, where you bring them both in on a figure 8, wrap it around your hand, pinch, and then you can split the time to go into the buzzsaw. Or if it's easier to do it in split time, you could do one then the other and go in directly without changing the timing.